Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can save audio from Instagram Reels or posts. So guys, let's get into it. Here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is selecting a post or reel that I want to save the audio. And for example, I'm going to save this audio on this post, so we can just tap on the audio like this until this option appear on your screen. And if you want to save the audio, you can simply tap on the save button. Then the audio will be saved to your Instagram account. Then if you want to check where the audio is, you can go to your Instagram setting. So you can go to your profile first. You can tap on this profile button. Then you can tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can click on the saved option, this one. Alright, and this is the audio that I have saved to my Instagram account. So we can tap on the audio to check it. This is for the original audio, and this is for the music. And this is the audio that I have just saved to my Instagram account. Alright guys, and that's how we can save audio from Reels or post on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.